Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do 100% stacked bar chart. So again, I'll click on this visual for stacked 100% stacked bar chart. And again, now I'll drag country and drop on the axis. Then today, now on the legend, I want to use a date, but my date I want in terms of years. Again, I will drag and sales amount and drop on the values. But I think this will not give us the correct view of 100% stacked bar chart. So instead of using the legend, let me use value for 100% stacked bar chart. So now where I have the sales amount, I'll also drag the total product cost, and I will also drag in gross margin. And then let me bring in the values. Rather, the data labels, not the values. So we have data labels here. Okay, and then let's bring the legend down to bottom center, and then make our axis black in color. And then also do a border on the same in the title aligned at the center. So here is our 100% stacked column chart, and you can see our sales amount. The portion of sales amount is 50%, and gross margin and total cost of sales taking about 29% and 20% respectively. So again, let's try again and do another 100% bar chart with the different field of the legend. So again, I'll click on this stacked column chart, rather stacked bar chart, and then I will drag the date, drop on the axis. Then now I will drag country, drop on the legend. Then I will drag sales amount, drop on the values. Then I want my data labels to be on. Then I'll copy the formatting for the first one and paint on the second one. So the second one gives a better view of the stacked bar chart. For the 100% stacked bar chart, which is being analyzed in terms of percentages. So now we can see the first country, rather you can see our countries here as Australia, Canada, France, Germany, UK and United States. with different percentages in terms of sales amount. So like now if you check on, or rather if you choose 2016, you can see the total sales amount. Of the total sales amount, 39.07% was for Australia, and again it was followed by United States with 34.26%, and then of course the rest. So when you are doing a stacked column, rather 100% stacked bar chart, you need to choose your fields correctly so that it can give you proper analysis of your data. So ladies and gentlemen, let's stop at that for 100% stacked bar chart, and then now let's meet again on this. These are the charts, like the line chart, the area chart, and the line and the stacked bar chart. So let's stop at that for this video.